Today, we're diving into the world of convenience and versatility with the JHFGJGH Mesh Drawstring Bags. This pack of 100 small bags offers a multitude of uses that can easily fit into your daily life. Whether you're soaking medicinal liquor, filtering slag, brewing tea or coffee, or even storing spices and crafts, these bags have got you covered. Measuring at 4 by 5.9 inches, these bags provide ample space for your items while ensuring they stay securely tucked away with the convenient drawstring closure. What I particularly appreciate about these bags is their non-woven fabric material, which not only offers durability but also ensures they're odorless, high-temperature resistant, and easily washable. One notable feature of these bags is the tiny holes in the cotton weave, which not only wick moisture away but also allow for proper airflow. This makes them ideal for various uses, from cooking to carrying small items like nuts or candies. Plus, they're disposable yet washable, which means you can reduce plastic bag waste without sacrificing convenience. In terms of performance, these bags hold up exceptionally well. They effectively prevent any loose leaf from leaking out, making them perfect for steeping tea or brewing herbal concoctions. The drawstring closure is easy to use, ensuring a hassle-free experience every time. Overall, the JHFGJGH Mesh Drawstring Bags offer fantastic value for anyone looking for versatile storage solutions. Whether you're a home cook, DIY enthusiast, or just someone who appreciates convenience, these bags are sure to become a staple in your daily routine. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.